Next topic 8.8 Some systems executing simple harmonic motion. Let us discuss with first one, oscillations due to spring. Here I am taking spring block system. Here it is mean position. If we apply force on block, the block executes simple harmonic motion. So at any time t, the displacement of the block from its mean position is x. So here restoring force is generated. That restoring force is act towards the mean position. So the restoring force acting on the block is so here f of t is equal, how we can write? Minus k into x of t. So let us take this is equation 1. We know that according to Newton's second law, here f of t is equal m a of t, but we know a of t is equal minus omega square x of t. So from this f of t, how we can write? Minus m into omega square x of t. So here let us take this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, here LHS side equal. So we can write RHS side equal. So that is minus k x of t is equal minus m omega square x of t. So here x of t cancel. So minus minus cancel. So we can write m omega square is equal, that is m omega square is equal k. From this omega square is equal k by m. So therefore omega is equal, how we can write? Under root of k by m. Here what is the time period of block? So here time period t is equal 2 pi by omega. So that is equal 2 pi by, here omega is equal under root of k by m. So therefore t is equal, how we can write? So it is 2 pi under root of m by k. So time period of block is t is equal 2 pi under root of m by k. Next one is the simple pendulum. Here I am taking a simple pendulum. Here if we apply force on bob, the bob execute simple harmonic motion. Here the length of the string is L and angular displacement is, here it is theta. Here two forces are acting on the bob. So one is tension force, that is T, and another one is gravitational force, that is mg, due to gravity, that is towards the downward direction. If we resolve gravitational force mg into two component, so that is, it is in this direction and another force is in this direction. So here it is theta, here also it is theta. So in this direction the component of mg is mg cos theta. So in this the component of mg is mg sin theta. So due to this tension force there is no torque on the bob, but due to mg sin theta there exists torque on the bob. So what is the torque? So here torque is force into displacement. So here force is, which force we have to take? Mg sin theta. So here tau is equal mg sin theta into perpendicular distance. So here perpendicular distance is length. So it can be written as mgl sin theta. Here also, here restoring torque is always opposite in angular displacement. So angular displacement is in this direction, torque is in this direction. So we have to put minus sign. Let us take this is equation 1. According to Newton's law of rotational motion, we know tau is equal I alpha. So let us take this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, so we can write I alpha is here LHS side are equal. So we can write RSS side equal. So here I alpha is equal to, how we can write, minus mgl sin theta. So from this alpha is equal to, how we can write, minus mgl by I into sin theta. If theta is small, so here sin theta is equal to what? That is theta. So from this alpha is equal to, how we can write, minus mgl by I into theta. So let us take this is equation 3. But we know this is similar to this equation is similar to, so which one? So that is A is equal minus omega square. Here A is equal minus omega square x. So here it is angular acceleration. So here it is linear acceleration. Theta is angular displacement. So here it is linear displacement. So if we compare these two equations, we can write omega square is equal mgl by I. So from this omega is equal how much? So how we can write? Omega is equal under root of mgl by I. Time period t is equal 2 pi by omega. So here t is equal 2 pi by, so here omega is equal what? mgl by I. So it can be written as 2 pi under root of I by mgl. But here I is moment of inertia. I is equal mr square. So here m is mass of the bob, r is length of the string. So that is ml square. So therefore substitute these values in this equation. So we can get t is equal 2 pi under of, here I is equal ml square by mgl. So here m cancel, ll cancel. So we can write therefore t is equal 2 pi under root of l by g. This is time period for simple pendulum. So that is t is equal 2 pi under root of l by g. Example problem 8.8. A metal ring of mass 5 kg is attached to a spring constant 500 Newton per meter. It slides without friction over a horizontal rod. The ring is displaced from its equilibrium position by 10 cm and released. Calculate the period of oscillation, the maximum speed and maximum acceleration of the ring. So here mass of the ring is given, that is 5 kg, and spring constant is given 500 Newton per meter. The displacement is given, so that is 10 centimeter. So we have to find period of oscillation. So in spring block system, the time period t is equal to 2 pi under root of m by k. So from that equation we have to find, substitute this value in that equation, we can get time period. So let us see. Here mass of the ring is given, so that is m is equal 5 kg, and spring constant k is given, that is 500 Newton per meter, and displacement is given, so that is x is given. So how much? That is 10 centimeter. So that is equal 10 into 1 centimeter is equal 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. So that is equal 0.1 meter. So let us see first one. So what is the time period? So here we know, we have a formula, t is equal 2 pi under root of m by k. So here t is equal, substitute these values in this equation. So t is equal 2 pi, here pi is equal to how much? That is 3.14 into under root of m is equal to how much? It is 5 kg by k is equal to how much? It is 500 Newton. So here 5 1 the 5, 500 the, here 5 1 the 5, 500 the 500. So that is called how much? 2 4 the 8, 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6. So into, here it is 1 by 100. So that is called 6.28 by 1 by root 100 is equal 10. So that is equal how much? 0.6. So if we round off, so that is 0.63 second. So t is equal how much? That is 0.63 second. See the second one. We know that V of t is equal minus a omega sin omega t plus pi. Here sin omega t plus pi value is 1 plus or minus 1, then V is maximum. So what is the V maximum? That is a omega. But a omega is equal to how much? So that is k by m. So that is displacement is given. So that is 0.1 into 100 of k is known how much? So that is spring constant. It is 500 by mass is 5 kg. So from this 5 ones are 500s are. So from this how we can write? 0.1 into square root of 100. Square root of 100 is 10. So that is 1 meter per second. So V maximum velocity is how much? 1 meter per second. See the third one. Here acceleration a of t is equal minus omega square x of t. If x of t is maximum displacement, so here a maximum is equal omega square into a. So a maximum is equal, here omega square is equal k by m into a. Here k is known value, that is 500, m is 5, a is 0.1. So 5 ones are 500s are. So 100 into 0.1, that is 10. So 10 into meter per second square. Maximum acceleration is,
Therefore, maximum acceleration is 10 meter per second square.
see the example problem 8.9. What is the length of a simple pendulum which ticks seconds? So here tick seconds means the time period of simple pendulum is 2 seconds. So here time period of simple pendulum t is given. So we have a formula, time period for second t simple pendulum, that is t is equal to 2 pi root of L by G. So here t is given, G is known value. So from this we have to find length of the simple pendulum. Here we know time period of simple pendulum t is equal 2 pi under root of L by G. So from this L t square is equal, how we can write? 4 pi square L by G. So from this L is equal, how we can write? So that is G into t square by 4 pi square. So here time period is given, so that is tick second, means what? It is 2 seconds. So G is known value, so that is called 9.8 meter per second square. So we have to find L value. So L is equal to how much? That is equal to G into, that is equal to 9.8 into t square. T square is equal to 2 square. So that is 4 by 4 pi square. So 4 into pi value is known. So that is 3.14 whole square. So here 4 cancel. So that is equal, L is equal 9.8 by 3.14 into 3.14. So we can get how much this value. So that is equal, L is equal approximately, here 3 3s are 9, here it is also 9. So that is 1 meter. So length of the simple pendulum is how much? That is 1 meter.